Saudi Arabia is one of the driest countries on Earth. With very limited natural freshwater resources and a growing population, the country depends heavily on advanced desalination technology.
The process begins at the coast. Large intake structures collect seawater and transport it through enormous pipelines into the desalination plant, before the water enters the treatment process. Before desalination begins, seawater must be carefully cleaned. Pretreatment removes sand, organic material, microorganisms, and tiny suspended particles, the dissolved salt.
One of Saudi Arabia's most important desalination technologies is reverse osmosis, or RO, force seawater at extremely high pressure against specialized semi-permeable membranes.
Reverse osmosis requires a large amount of pressure. To improve efficiency, modern plants use energy recovery systems. These devices capture energy from the high pressure.
Saudi Arabia uses thermal plants. They use heat to separate fresh water from salt. Heated seawater enters chambers with lower pressure. The water turns to steam, leaving salts behind.
Another thermal technology is multiple effect distillation. Here, heat is reused across several stages, allowing seawater to evaporate and repeatedly with improved efficiency.
Saudi Arabia does not rely only on seawater. Although brackish groundwater contains water is less salt than seawater, it still requires advanced treatment before it can become suitable for drinking.
Freshly desalinated water is extremely low in dissolved minerals. Before distribution, the water is carefully treated and stabilized. Minerals may be adjusted, and the water is disinfected.
After treatment, the fresh water is stored in massive reservoirs and transported through extensive pipeline networks. These systems deliver water to millions of homes, hospitals, businesses, and industries across the kingdom.
Desalination also produces concentrated brine. Managing this byproduct is an important engineering and environmental challenge. Modern facilities use controlled turning programs. Saudi Arabia continues to invest in smarter and more efficient desalination technology. Automation, advanced sensors, and digital monitoring are helping engineers improve efficiency.
Because desalination requires significant energy, improving energy efficiency is critical. Renewable energy can support the future of water production.
From the sea to the tap, every drop follows a remarkable engineering journey. Seawater is filtered, pressurized, separated from salt, and transported across vast distances.